Hello, welcome everybody to a December 20th gold analysis. We're going to be doing analysis and breakdown on gold again. Almost the end of the year, almost the end of Q4. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with the quarterly chart. We can see on the quarterly chart, big bullish momentum. This quarter has been kind of in a doji consolidation type candle. It's still 10, 11 days before it ends. So let me check. When's the last trading day? I think it's on the 31st. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 trading days left for the year. Crazy year, actually. It's almost done now. It seems like it flew by. Anyways, before I get sidetracked, we can see that the quarterly's been pushing up very, very nicely. What I'm anticipating, this is in a consolidation. I kind of do think we might get a little bit of a bullish body to finish off the month. We'll see. The stimulus has passed. Stimulus has passed, and I think that's going to affect the price of gold tomorrow. As to how, we'll have to watch price action. I think it might go up. It just seems like when more money is pumped in the market, gold does go up. Safe havens are bought. There's more debt in the market. The Fed and the central banks have to offset that. So what do? They buy safe havens. Let's go to the monthly. Monthly is quite interesting for the fact we don't have a lower wick. We have this big push down in November. So I did initially think that we might have a bigger push down for the end of the month, potentially. I don't know. We'll see. That is going to be still an idea I might have. Maybe this is going to be like the upper wick for the month. We still have 8 trading days left, and those 8 trading days, could it cover the rest of this? Who knows? That's 1,000 pips right there. If it ever did, that'd be a big ass move. I'll tell you that much. But now when you break it down to lower time frames on the weekly, we see that we're coming back into this previous consolidation range it had. This previous consolidation range right here. Last week it tapped up into here. I thought it would break lower, never did. But as you can see from our posts on Instagram and on the blog, it has been going up and we've been buying on the way, playing that price action. That's the biggest thing, eliminating the bias there and playing the price action. Because the Monday candlestick last week is quite bearish. And I thought that would just continue lower, but I guess the stimulus talks heated up and it pushed up higher. And now you have these other levels that we will get drawn in. Let me actually put one of the candlesticks here. I mean the zones here, 1889. This one I'm gonna go 1888 and 1890. Perfect. There we go. So we have that 1890 level. I think a break above there, we have an easy move. That's about, you could get in good 150 pips on that. That's a pretty solid move right there. Break it down lower time frame, we can see that 4 hour has respected that level at the 1896 on the 4 hour. That's a big level. Pulled back, retraced a little bit. As to what it's going to do, maybe it'll have a pullback, push up higher. We'll just have to gauge it, see the price action. I'm going to actually get rid of that. And is it this one here? 1871, 1870. And what about this thing? Have that zone there. So we have a bunch of levels drawn in. I think we're just going to play levels to levels. It is the end of December. Sorry, give me a second. It is the end of December. Low volume. People are going to spend the holidays now. Won't be as many moves per se. So I'm going to fix that, make it cleaner. Won't be as many moves per se, and that is confirmed by the news this week. Literally all we have is final GDP, and then it's a US bank holiday. You might as well look for next week too. Let's go 26th to the 1st or 28th to the 1st. Nothing. So yeah, the last 2 weeks are pretty slow, and we're gonna have to, where can I go start date here? And then it'll pick up first week of January, second week of January. I think that's when it's going to pick up again. Pretty quick analysis today. There wasn't really much going on. I mean, when you break it down, it's really watching how this month closes, watching how this weekly goes. I do feel like the weekly might pump up a little bit, especially if it breaks the 1890 level. So we're actually going to move it on the daily and kind of have it here. There we go. So we're going to have a break above 1890. It's going to be, whoops, not like that. Break above 1890, easy to 1910. And then we could see if this level gets respected, then maybe any break below here, we're going to have an easy short. Any break above, easy long. We're going to have to gauge price action here. Action and direction. It gives you reminder, last 8 trading days will have low volume and a lot of choppiness. TP faster and manage risk. Play price action and quick impulsive moves, whether it is bullish or bearish. Done. There we go. Here we're gonna have I'm gonna have an arrow right here. Make it cleaner a little bit. Clean break with high volume above 1890 could easily continue and test the 1910 level / zone we have marked out from a while back and potentially continue further. Approved stimulus bill may push the price of gold higher. Whoops. This texting's weird. There we go. And then we're going to do the short side too. For the short side, watch key levels and how price reacts to those levels. See if price starts to sell off, then enter shorts from zone to zone. Trade price action and what it gives you. If price starts to break key levels on high volume, then go with that momentum. See, one thing different from this analysis compared to my other ones is I'm not keeping a direction in my head. I'm just going to go with both. See if it does either or, right? So if it goes up, we're prepared for the upside, and if it goes down, we're going to be prepared for the downside. So pretty easy, pretty simple. Try to keep analysis simple today. It's near the end of the year. Choppiness will be there. Not a lot of news this week, so moves are going to be cleaner. Going to be smoother, but we'll see. Anyways, we'll see you guys Monday to Thursday this week, not Friday. Friday's Christmas. Enjoy the holiday. Monday to Thursday, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Hope everybody has a great Sunday.